In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix your Spotify playlist not syncing. Let's get started. First, try forcing a sync manually. Open Spotify on the device where your playlist is already updated and play any song from the playlist. Then switch to other device, like a phone or tablet, and open Spotify there. This often triggers the app to sync automatically and update your playlist. If that does not work, the next step is to refresh the connection using offline mode. Go to Spotify settings on both devices and turn on offline mode. Leave it enabled for about 5 to 10 minutes, then turn it back off on both devices. This helps reset the connection and forces Spotify to sync your data again. You should also make sure both devices are connected to a stable internet connection and are logged into the same Spotify account. Sometimes syncing issues happen simply because of network problems or account mismatches. If the issue continues, try logging out of Spotify on both devices and logging back in, or updating the app to the latest version from Play Store or App Store, and that's it. These steps should help fix any playlist syncing issues on Spotify. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.